news, the former Solicitor General of India and Kulbhushan Jadhav's lawyer in the International Court of Justice, Hari Salve, spoke about the case in a virtual seminar, where Hari Salve talked about several topics related to Kulbhushan Jadhav. Listen in to the delay that has been taken up when it comes to India's arguments in the case.
On July 17, 2019, the International Court of Justice at The Hague dealt a heavy blow to Pakistan. India secured a major relief for Kulbhushan Jadhav, who's been in Pakistan army captivity since 2016. The International Court of Justice stayed Pakistan military court's order to execute Jadhav, and the man leading India's battle was legal Harish Salve.
The court has held that Pakistan is guilty of internationally wrongful acts of a continuing character, and it must cease those acts.
Former Solicitor General of India, Harish Salve, opened up about the case in a virtual seminar on Saturday evening.
And after their conviction, it transpired that it had been in the violation of the Vienna Convention. So in one case, Mexico, and the other case, Federal Republic of Germany, took America to the International Court. The International Court rejected all arguments raised by America about waiver, etc., and said it's a right. You cannot waive this right. It's a right in the country, and it's a right in the national.
In the lecture organized by Akhil Bharatiya Adivakta Parishad, Harish Salve gave a first-hand account and made a detailed analysis of the Jadhav case at the International Court. Hear it from him how India secured the victory.
From India's point of view, our biggest concern was we felt that if the only relief we get is review and reconsideration, then it may not help, because Pakistan is not going to really do anything which will give us any relief.
With the legal experience of Harish Salve, India has put a stop to Pakistan's devious designs, and the top lawyer has dropped massive hints on what would be India's next move if Pakistan doesn't get its act straight.
My argument was, which finally that's why they didn't have to decide that case. There was no question of reasonable time, because Pakistan flatly refused till the end of the case to allow consular access. So they took a firm position saying we don't have to allow consular access. And the only justification which came for the first time in their merits reply, for the first time they gave a justification. They said, since he's a spy, we don't have to give him consular access. So that's how the expression reasonable time did not really come up for construction in Jadhav, because there was a flat refusal to give.
It was a legal war that was watched by the world, and Harish Salve has opened up about the legal battle and India's first step to bring back its citizen Kulbhushan Jadhav.